little Diet Coke. Wakes you up.
Mmm. Hi guys, this is probably going to be the first moving vlog of many. If you don't already know, I am moving to New York City tomorrow. And you can watch my empty apartment tour or my apartment hunt, and I will link those up here. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Audrey. I make content here on YouTube as well as Instagram and TikTok, and that's my full-time job, but the goal is to either be on Broadway or be in TV shows and films. So I am an actor as well. While I do create content, I do other things as well. So if that sounds appealing to you, please hit the subscribe button because I would really appreciate it. So today, basically what we're doing is looking through the stuff that I have packed from school, because basically what happened was I graduated a little bit over a month ago and I just never really unpacked completely because I didn't see a point, because I knew I was going to be moving yet again. So what we're going to be doing is like looking through the boxes from school, seeing what we want to take from school to New York. I don't want to bring too much. You know, I'm living in a studio apartment. I have a really big closet, so I can bring a good amount of clothes, but I don't want to bring just too much stuff, you know, because the stuff accumulates very quickly with PR and brand deals and all the things and my online shopping addiction. So it's the lawnmower. Why is it so loud? Anyway, moral of the story is things accumulate quickly, and I just like don't want that. You know, I don't want my apartment to be cluttered because my whole life, my brain is cluttered 24/7. So I don't really want my apartment to be cluttered. So we're gonna look through those boxes, see what I wanna keep, see what I want to get rid of, maybe sell. You guys can look at my Poshmark. I'm selling a lot of clothes there right now. So when I find some stuff that I wanna sell, I'm gonna take a picture, post on Poshmark, maybe take it to the post office if it gets sold. That's kind of what's in store for today, and then tomorrow we'll actually be moving. I think I'll probably make that a separate vlog so you guys have a lot for your viewing needs, you know? Gonna get started. I was doing some work on my computer and just like linking some stuff. You guys can shop on my Amazon storefront. I have an apartment list where I have a lot of the stuff that I'm either thinking of buying or have already bought, but I'll do like a haul of all the things that I've bought. That'll be another video probably coming out like next week. So yeah, it's so exciting, so much fun. So let's just like get it going. I took a break to update my Amazon storefront and to eat a grilled cheese. So now let's get it going. Okay, so let me show you guys what we have so far. So these smaller boxes are the boxes that I'm bringing. So in this box, we have dresses. In this box, we have tops, and then like a blazer. So anything that I classify as like a top is in this box. Bottoms. And then I have, I think like 5 more of those boxes. So the point of getting the smaller boxes was so that I can separate them by what they actually are. And so I won't be confused, just like, what's in this box, what's in this box? Because that's kind of what happened with my school boxes is I'm looking through the boxes and I'm just like, I don't know what's even in here. So yeah, let's see, like this is one of my school boxes. I'm pretty positive this is all just shoes and sweatshirts and sweaters. So, I don't know, we'll go through that later, but we gotta work on the downstairs first. So here we have our wonderful array of things from school. Yeah, there's just a lot, so gotta sort through it all.
All right, so we should see what you're taking, what you're leaving, and what you're giving away.
These moving boxes from Amazon are so easy. You just go like this, bring that down, rip the sides, like that. I can't figure out if I like these sneakers. I don't think I do. I'm the worst. Literally the worst. So basically, whoa, I look like I'm like in a ghost hunt. You know, when you don't know. You know what? It doesn't make any sense. Anyway, I forgot to keep filming, but hear me out, ready? All that you've missed is practically nothing. Right now, I am selling stuff on Poshmark for super cheap because, well, I want to be able to package it so then when my mom comes home tomorrow, she can send everything out on Thursday and I don't have to worry about it. But basically, I am trying to send this stuff as fast as possible. So right now I'm just sitting and cutting shipping labels and watching YouTube videos because everything keeps selling because I'm posting it for really low prices. Because, you know, you gotta get that extra buck. And realistically, all that's like left for me to do is just kind of clear out the stuff that I'm either keeping here or giving away. So this is the stuff that I'm selling. Other than that, I just need to put stuff in the boxes. So the only progress I've made that you guys haven't seen yet, or that I haven't really shown you yet, is I made a sweatshirt box. So this is sweatshirts and sweaters that are in here. I think there's some more lying around that I could put in here. There's a lot of my clothes in the guest bedroom, which we'll go into the guest bedroom and tackle all the clothes in there after I finish these Poshmark orders. So yeah, I'm just going to keep cutting and packaging these orders. If you guys don't know, like if you ever sell your clothes online, you can get these like shipping bags from Amazon for like 12 bucks. And they're so, like you get like 50 of them for like $12 and it saves you so much money and like time. It's so easy. You just put it in there, rip off the shiny part, stick it, and it's packed. So life hack if you sell your clothes online. This is a Princess Polly dress for Erica. Sabo skirt dress for Christina. Okay, so I just took a lot of pictures of the rest of the things I'm selling. I think there's more downstairs, but don't really know if I want to worry about that right now. Might want to get back to just packing. So took those pictures, gonna lay down, post them, watch SNL stuff, and then we'll get to like packing more. Now we are packing and watching Cody Co.
It's like you walk into a house and point at some shit, and that's a video. There you go. Yo, you guys will never be able to afford this. 30 million views.
Forgot that half my shit is in the other room, so we can't watch that because we have to go in the other room. Oh, and of course there's literally no light in this room. There's one singular lamp. Shoes are packed. Just realized I have more stuff that I could put on Poshmark, but I really don't feel like it, so probably not going to. Hi, girl.
But also, I'm like working on your computer.
How cute is this bag? She's perfect. It's Michael Kors. Got it so long ago. So pretty. Love her. I want to bring this, just don't know where to put it. Now I'm packing up like small things. So let me show you what I basically have packed so far. So this is actually a Chanel hat box for my bucket hat, but it's actually a great box to hold stuff. So I just kind of put like some skincare, some of my notebooks, some of my equipment, and yeah, just like cosmetics, earrings, and jewelry in here. This has just some like miscellaneous stuff in it, like my shower shoes. Okay, hear me out. I hate walking on hardwood floors with wet feet. So I won't wear my shower shoes in the shower. I'll wear them when I get out of the shower so that I don't have to walk on the hardwood floor with wet feet. Fun fact. So I'm bringing them. This right here is just my nail bin, so I'm just gonna take it as is. This is just a package from my management that I need to open up, which I think it's like a summer package because they always send one, which is so funny because I'm literally wearing the shirt from last year's summer package. So I'm excited to see what's in there. Then any like extra purses or shoes or hats are in this bag. These dresses right here, we're actually gonna take to our tailor in the morning because they're just things that I needed to get altered that, well, one of them I did get altered, but then it needs to be altered more. And then the other ones are just ones that I have been meaning to get altered and haven't yet. Yeah, so that's what that is. Out here, this is my box of dresses. And then I'll show you guys what I have down here. Some boxes are already in the cars, but these are the ones that we have right here. So this is just my box of shoes. This is other miscellaneous things, I think like underwear, socks, more shoes, and more stuff. I don't even know what's in here. Not sure what this box is. We'll figure it out. Camera bag, mirror that I'm bringing, tripod. This has like my cosmetics in it from the shore. So I think I'm just literally gonna bring it like this. This is stuff that's staying here. Then I'm gonna put each of these 3 bins in the car. And then this was basically just any products or PR that I had in these boxes that oh wait, I want my foot roller. This is so good if you get like shin splints and stuff. I probably should roll my feet right now. Good for dancers. This is just all of like, you know, my products, any medicine that I have. Oh yeah, I should probably put my Care of vitamins in here. Oh, you know what I definitely need to bring? My audition book. That would be a good thing to make sure I bring, even though auditions are like not in person yet. They might be soon, you never know. Gotta be prepared. Should I bring this? I feel like I like literally don't even use it, so, because I have my iPad, so I think I'm okay. I think we'll leave her here. This is a tray that Goldie got me for graduation. So cute. So we'll put that probably just by itself and then maybe put like these things on top of it in the car. This is all just like, you know, like stuff that has just accumulated. Eye drops, so many different nail polishes, lip products, hair ties, you know, all the things that I don't necessarily need. Like I literally have 2 of these. I have a cuticle oil in my other thing, so we'll just keep that here. I have 2 cuticle oils right in there. Oh, my hard water treatment. I'll link this for you guys. This is so good if you have any buildup in your hair. Okay, so that concludes this pack with me to move to New York vlog. Getting up bright and early tomorrow to get everything in the car and get it moving. So looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun. Make sure you're subscribed so that you can see the rest of the moving vlogs and all of the apartment tours and apartment hauls. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.